Hey cruisers! Today we're looking at Regal Princess cabin M322 on Deck 15, also known as the Marina Deck. For those of you who just want a quick look, we'll start with a brief walkthrough. If you're looking for more detail, we'll walk back from the balcony and highlight the features of the cabin in detail. We'll show the balcony later, but for now, we'll start back here with a good look at the entire cabin. If you're new here, I'm Sherry with CruiseTipsTV.com. If you find this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to check out our Regal Princess playlist down in the description and comments of this video. This area here can be sectioned off with a heavy curtain. The sofa converts to a bed. Here's a better look at that sofa bed. There's also a chair here and a large flat screen TV above. Now let's take a look at the desk and vanity area. On the right side, you'll find a small refrigerator. There's room for a few bottles of water or other beverages in here, and we found that it worked pretty well and kept things cool. On the left, there's a bank of drawers, and there are outlets on either side of the desk. On the other side of the stateroom, there's storage available in these nightstands, one by the sofa sleeper and one on both sides of the bed. Continuing on, we pass the second large flat screen TV. Here's a handy little shelf we treat as kind of a grab and go station. There's also a full-length mirror here. In the closet area, you'll find lots of space for hanging clothes and some shelving for folded clothing or other items. There's a traditional push-button safe in this area as well. In the bathroom, you'll find convenient corner shelves mounted on the mirror. If you need more storage for larger items in the restroom, you can use this area below the sink. A wonderful feature of this cabin is the large bathtub. Additionally, there's a nice shower head and, of course, shampoo and shower gel provided by Princess. And now onto the balcony. It's a bit narrower than some balconies, but it sure is nice to sit out here and enjoy the view. We'll close out this video with a couple of wide shots of the entire cabin. Don't forget to check out the Regal Princess playlist down below and subscribe before you go. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.